are making cranberry sauce for Thanksgiving. Yum, yum, What you're gonna need is cranberries, oranges, yum, yum, yum. Sugar and water. Let's get started. Before we start cooking the cranberries, we have to make some orange zest. So I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. What you're gonna need is an orange and one of these, or those are smaller one, like you do with cheese. And you do it the same thing what you do with cheese, like this. I can see it, it's shading. Oh, it's actually found it. Oh, it smells good. It's so slippery. That looks about to be 4 tablespoons. Now we're done zesting. Let's get to cooking. Yeah. All right, it's time to cook. The first thing you want to do, bring to a boil 1 cup of fresh squeezed orange juice, 1 cup of water. What? The best part. Sugar. So you're going to want to add 1 3/4 cups of sugar. This is a Mountain Dew of sugar. I need help. Mom?
Yes, I'll help you.
Oh, stir it and bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil, you're gonna add 24 ounces of cranberries. I don't want to do that. I don't like it. Mommy, I need your help. You're gonna add a heaping bit of salt, so you just have to, and a heaping tablespoon of orange zest. Boom. Let's stir it all in. This is gonna be so cool. The cranberries are literally destroying, like you can't even see. There's so many cranberries that the salt hasn't even boiled yet. It looks so cool. Look at this. It's not even boiling. Look at that. You want your cranberries to explode open? Well, that means burst. If they don't, you can always smash them yourself too. This part takes about 5 minutes. So you guys 5 minutes. So after it's boiled for 5 minutes, you're gonna add a little bit of vanilla. And I've already added that. Then you let it boil gently for another 5 to 6 minutes. So I'll see you guys in done soon. Once it's done going, we're going to transfer it into another bowl, and then we're going to seal it and put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for 10 to 12 hours. But my mommy got a little bit in my freezer for me, so I can taste it for you now. First, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Come on. Guys, if you were here and you have this, if we had a sense thing that if you sniffed the phone, you could smell this. It smells delicious. See? Yum. Now it's time to taste it. Can't wait. Oh, did you see? Yum, yum, yum. Guys, you should try this. Like and subscribe, and make sure you come back to my channel and try the bakes. All the things that I tried too. Bye. Have fun making this. Thanks for watching.